install is the reverser removal. So is the cabin air filter really worth doing, considering that it costs around $40 and it takes around 40 minutes on your first try to complete? I would say hell yeah, especially if you have allergy. And not only that, but you're also protecting the evap system from dirt and debris, which is also a pain in the ass to clean off. If you've seen yours and taken yours out and it's dirty, I recommend cleaning it out before you put in the new filter. It's easier to pop out a filter and pop a new one in than it is to sit there and clean an evap system. The cheapest one I've been able to find was, I believe it was $36 on eBay, and the brand was Denso. And the most expensive option is buying from the dealership, which cost me around $56, and that's with an employee discount. And I also apologize for recording the very bottom section of it. It was really hard to get the camera under there, but if you look under, you should see, I think, top of my head, I think it's like 5 screws down there that you need to loosen up. Fuck man, I'm tired. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys next time.